How to create a new account in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to create a new account in Blockman Go. Creating a new account in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Download and open Blockman Go. If you don't already have this game installed, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then launch the app after installation. Tap on sign up or register. On the main screen, you will see option to log in or create new account. Choose sign up or register. Choose your sign up process from email, Google or Facebook. Fill in your details. Enter the required information which may include username, password, email or phone number. Set your profile. You may be prompted to choose an avatar or set up your character. Confirm registration. Tap sign up or create account to finalize the process. Start playing. Once registered, you will be logged into your new account. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can create account in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.